Hi there, welcome back. Today, just want to do a quick video update on AMC. AMC just had their earnings earlier. The price closed at $9.85 and it's up to $10.81 after hours. But before I continue further, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people where we can talk about stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, and share ideas on ways to grow our wealth together. If that is something you are interested in, check out my link down below. And I love to trade penny stocks, growth stocks, dividend stocks, anything to make us money. Let's take a quick look at this 1-year chart here. It was trading below $5. This was back in January, until we saw the squeeze all the way to 2036 before coming all the way down again. And this was because of a lot of brokerages were limiting the amount of shares that people can buy. And Robinhood even limited people from buying shares of AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry at the time, and which caused this massive sell-off. And then we traded in this range of 563 and 730 for over 2 weeks. And then we saw a huge gap up all the way to $11. We did hit $11.71 today, but it couldn't get past the $11.71 resistance. And now we are just around $10.80, which is fine because this stock can easily go much higher. Let's take a look at what they reported. So AMC reported a loss of $946.1 million for the fourth quarter, bringing its annual loss for 2020 to $4.59 billion. On a per-share basis, the losses amounted to 6.21 for the last quarter of the year and 39.15 for the year, dramatically worse than in 2019. The company generated $162.5 million in revenue to close out 2020 and $1.24 billion for the year, off 89% and 77% year over year. So AMC's adjusted loss for the latest quarter was better than expectations from analysts, while revenue was ahead of the consensus estimate. The company said in response to state and local government mandates related to domestic resurgence of COVID-19, many of AMC's 467 reopened U.S. theaters suspended operations. But New York just recently opened their theaters up. And then I have good news I'm going to show you in just a bit. And then they said, this year, the Leawood, Kansas-based company expects better results with vaccines getting distributed and new movies slated for release in the coming months. The CEO also stated, we have reason to be optimistic about AMC's ability to get to the other side of this pandemic. So they are no longer going to declare bankruptcy as well. They were able to raise enough capital last year. They have $1 billion in cash on hand. So this is good. Once all the movie theaters opens up again, this stock can easily go much higher. So this news just came out. It says Los Angeles and Orange counties can reopen movie theaters, theme parks this weekend. So right now, movie theaters in the LA County and Orange County are closed. So and there are a lot of movie theaters, a lot of AMCs in that area. So once that opens up, I mean, we can definitely see the stock possibly going to $15. And people want to go to movies. They don't want to be cooped up at home anymore. They want to be able to watch movies on a big screen TV. So I do believe that the next quarter earnings will be a lot better than this quarter. Just because all the movie theaters will be open, people will be vaccinated, like the CEO has said, and people will be going to movies and buying expensive drinks, popcorn, etc. It is still a good price to get in at. I mean, it's still $10.75. It's below the squeeze from $20, and it can easily go back up to $20 and higher. So my price target is at least $50 by the end of 2021. We still have 9 months to go. 9 months for the stock price to go up to $50. That's definitely a lot of time. And let's say you are planning to get in, but you don't want to pay $10.73. You want to pay $9. You can sell a cash secured put. Not a lot of people know about this strategy, and it works perfect. You get the stock at a discount, and plus you get money up front. So you want to buy AMC at $9. So you sell a 9 strike price cash secure puts. The only thing is you need to be able to put up the collateral, and the collateral is 100 times your strike price, which in this case is 900. And for that, for selling a cash secure put, you will receive $127. You know what you can do with this $100? You can take you and your family to AMC, treat yourself to a nice movie, to some popcorn, and maybe a drink and snacks. $100 is a lot of money. So this is one option. And if you are holding on to AMC shares, you can sell cover calls against your shares. So we can go further out. For example, a 25 strike price. You can receive $32 for putting up 100 shares as collateral. And I don't think AMC will reach 25. If it does, that's great. What you can do now is you can roll it over to the following week or following months until it expires worthless, because we don't want to be selling our AMC shares. We want to be holding them as long as possible. I'm holding on to my 800 shares. So this is one way to generate extra money from the shares that you are holding onto. This is $32 that you can receive for every 100 shares that you own. I know people out there have more than 100 shares, possibly even 1,000 shares. So you can sell 10 contracts and receive $300 now. You can watch multiple movies and have a feast at the movie theater. So guys, check out cash secure puts, check out cover calls, and buy AMC if you haven't already. If it does pull back, I will continue to add, and if it does go up, I will continue to add. I want to get at least 2,000 shares of AMC before summertime. And that's all I have for you guys. Let me know in the comments below how many shares you guys are holding. And thank you so much for watching. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.